Yikes. So it's been running the AC the whole time. Alright, so this unit is basically the condenser, the outdoor condenser, and the gas furnace is running simultaneously. I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it, see what we got. Rude. Okay, so right off the bat, that doesn't look good. That's weird. There's nothing running. I got hot air coming out of here. So the furnace must have been running. Never seen that before. I got the regulator piped inside here. So what I want to do first of all is try to figure out what's going on with my low voltage while I'm getting both heat and cooling running. This doesn't seem to be a dual fuel system. No, it's not. So it's sparking up. Evaporator coil is shot, completely frozen. Let me check the indoor thermostat. It's set up for heat pump. Looks like we got auxiliary heat option. So I'm just going to go ahead and menu here. Next. Outdoor. So that's set to heat pump. We don't want that. We want so not two-stage. Let's try that. Electric. We don't want electric heat. We want gas. Single-stage gas. Okay. So you see it got rid of the aux option. Now we're just heat. Now if I had to guess what's going on, why this furnace is short cycling, is the evaporator coil is a block of ice, so it's not allowing it to pass any air over that heat exchanger. It's got limited airflow, so it's more than likely going out on high limit. But like I said, this is a lot of corrosion, a lot of rust. We'll see if this thing wants to go ahead and thaw out any. Just a quick little, this was just a real estate inspection, but the inspector who was here flagged that he didn't know what was going on, why it was doing what it was doing. I'm not sure why this thing, wow, look at that. Yikes. So it's been running the AC the whole time. And the realtor was saying it's not every day that it's colder inside than it is outside, and that explains that situation. Yeah. Alright, so a little tech tip, I guess. I mean, I'm about to be heading in this crawl space here. And what I like to do, I like to go ahead and set up my thermal camera. And that way, I can just kind of trace the ducts, see where they're leading to, and see if there's any really hot spots. That would indicate maybe there might be some sort of a leak. Leaking area. You see like a hot spot really, you know, abnormally hot. Probably adjust the sensitivity. But the thing is, these are really hot, to be honest. This is I guess this is like the R6 stuff. It's not very well insulated. But oh my. Daggone it. Cadavers in here everywhere. See if it's still hot. No, she's cold. She's dead. So we see the return going in. We see a supply coming out. What I want to do is just trace through. I guess I just lay my eyes on all the ductwork and try to see if there's anything that looks funky or abnormal. Okay, so far everything's looking really good, so I'm not going to complain about it. This furnace is definitely got issues though with all that corrosion. Man, there she goes. So what I'm going to do, I guess I'll try to run it bypassing this, and I'm just pulling the air directly in. She's fired up now. Guess it's fine. It's about 60, 62, 63 degrees in here, so it's not going to thaw like that. Yeah, pretty much ripped the insulation off of it. So much static pressure. I don't have any glue to glue that back. Have to figure something out with that. So she'll run now. Oh no. Look at that flame. Doesn't look too good. Let's do our combustion analysis. Analysis paralysis. Alright, let her pop, get warmed up. Make sure she's plenty far away from those gases. While that's warming up, I'll go ahead and check my amps and volts. Let's see here. So what we're going to do, we have blower axis is open, so I can just go ahead and grab one of those. I bet you it's probably going to be the black. I don't know though. That's cooling. 1.9 amps there. I want to go ahead and probably tap the hole here, just because I don't want any air getting back in. I'll just go ahead and, no big deal. Can button her up. Okay. Let's get this here tone on. I'll go ahead and put this in. I would like to always make the airflow facing this opening. So flip back a little bit. Get her started. Pretty sure we're gonna have high CO just based off of all that corrosion. But you never know. You never know. Yeah, she's jumping. She's starting to jump on us. At least our excess air isn't too high, so our oxygen doesn't seem to be too high. That's probably, so just look at all that. Look at all that white, powdery stuff there. That right there is a sign that you're getting combustion gas escape. We're gonna definitely inspect this heat exchanger. See all that? We're going to definitely expect it. See what it's looking like. Alright, so I'm going to try to do my oxygen test real quick and see what happens if I turn the fan off, if my O2 and my CO levels change. Oh, sorry. Uh-oh, let's get that off of there. That's hot. Hotter than I thought it was. Let's see if my, my excess air and CO levels change. Okay, so I'm going to pull the fan and we're going to take a watch. Voila, fan off. Excess air not moving yet. Oh wow, CO's going down pretty rapidly though. Very rapidly. Excess air is actually starting to come down too. Not as rapid as the CO. Yeah, I'd say that there's an issue there. Yep. Yeah, we've got a breach then. So yeah, take a look real quick. Not seeing anything too trippy. See if we can get that in here. It's still kind of hot. Yeah, I don't know, man. These heat exchangers are super elusive. Alright, so I wasn't able to find any major breaches in this heat exchanger. Just did the visual inspection, as you can see here, and yeah, I just had to let the customer know that it was showing signs of a breach heat exchanger due to the combustion analysis, but I wasn't able to find any physical evidence. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that white powdery residue that you see on the side of the heat exchanger cover there when I took the door off is it's a zinc oxide, which is essentially pretty much a sign of incomplete venting of the gas products. That stuff kind of builds up. So basically, long story short, it's showing that there's some sign of combustion gas getting within the airstream if it's on the outside of that heat exchanger like that. So, not to mention all the rust and everything like that, the buildup of rust at the actual inducer and around the burner assembly. So like I was saying, this furnace is definitely on its last leg, and it's something we definitely needed to inform the owner of. So I'll let you know what we hear back from him. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.